Before Windows had all these beautiful icons and menus, everything was controlled using commands. And guess what? Many of the most powerful tools are still hiding inside the common prompt. Today we began a complete CMD mastery series from basic to advanced options. This is the first video of our complete CMD or common prompt course. So before we dive in, we're going to give you more information about CMD and its history. What is CMD stand for? Why we have to learn CMD, okay? So what is CMD? CMD is also known as common prompt. If you say common prompt or CMD, they are equal, just but different name, okay? Common prompts or CMD is one of the oldest tools in Windows. It comes from MS-DOS, which Microsoft introduced in 1981. Back then, back then, there was no mouse. Everything was typing using CMDs or command prompts. So you were able just to type and use some interface to just type in and CMD still exists because it is fast, powerful, and perfect for system tasks to do the task in a better way. Why should we learn CMD today in a very modern world? Because these 5 tips, okay? Pay attention to these 5 tips if you wanna know why you should learn CMD. So you have to pay attention to these 5 tips, okay, that I am gonna share with you. Number one, it helps you understand to Windows very deeply and good, okay? The second, it is used in troubleshooting and fixing some errors that you are not able to do them in graphical interface, okay? The third one is many jobs require CMD knowledge. So maybe they ask you about CMD, so you have to know how to work with CMD, okay? Number four, it is faster than the graphical interface. If you want to do some tasks, so it is faster than doing in graphical interface. It's faster to do it in CMD or common prompts than in graphical interface. The last one, it is the first step before learning PowerShell, Linux terminal, and scripting. If you or Windows common prompts, they were necessary to engage you with the Linux or scripting or something else. Okay, that they are all depend on terminal and command prompts. Guys, as we have understand what is CMD and we had a very short definition about CMD and a short discussion about its history. Now we have to know how to open our CMD. For example, this is my Windows interface. This is my Windows screen. This is my computer screen. So how should I open the CMD? First of all, you have to come here to start menu. Okay, just click here. So the search button will open for you. You have to just type here CMD. So you know this is our CMD. This is our CMD. So you can just click here to open it, or just click here to open, or just run as administrator. So let me explain you about run as administrator. So there are some commands that you are not allowed to do them just with opening normally. Okay, you have to run as administrator. So let me open it, for example, just with open, or just click enter, so it will be opened. Okay, this is my common prompt interface. Okay, so let me log out, and again let me type here CMD. So, and there is administrator. What does it mean? It asks you that you want to allow this to run in your computer. Okay, so I click yes. So if you open this is more powerful than using normal. Okay, this is administrator command prompt. Okay, so Because of this, there are some commands that you may not allow to use them in normal, but administrator will allow you to use them very good. Okay, so if you wanna do any tasks, you have to open as administrator. If you wanna, for example, do successfully. Okay, this is the difference between just opening and using your admission. Okay, so that was the first way to open your CMD or common prompt. So the second way is to just open it. Just press when Windows key plus R, and this runtime will came. So you have to type here CMD. When you type CMD, just enter. So it will automatically open the command prompts or CMD. Okay, this was the second way that you can open this. So guys, also you can just press the Windows button on your computer. Okay, just click here or just come here, no problem. It's the same. Okay, if you use your keyboard to click on Start menu or Windows key, so or just click here, no problem. It's the same. But there is also a search button that you can search here. So you can also search here, for example, CMD. If you search here CMD, so this will be shown for you here, and this is also have the administrator. As I mentioned, you can use it very good, but you can pin them in different section. For example, you can pin it in start. That what does it mean? Start is mean just clicking here. Okay, if I click here, so there is no CMD. Let me pin it in start. So after that, you will see it on start. Okay, CMD. Okay, and this is okay. I have pinned on start. Okay. Now if I open, so you see that my command prompt is here. Also, you can pin it in other places. Okay. Let me type in taskbar. Taskbar is in this options. Okay. If I also pin it in taskbar, so it will be here. Okay. After that, I don't need to go anywhere to open it. I just can, for example, click here. It will be opened. It's very easier than just going and searching. Okay. But as you wish, you can change it, you can use it in different way, you can open it, even you can make a shortcut from this common prompts to open it as fast as you want. Okay, this was our common prompts. So let me open it and give you some comments to use them and learn them. Okay, I just wanna open it from here. Okay, I open it. So the first the first comment that I wanna teach you is just to type VER. Okay, and then enter VER, then enter. So it will show your Windows version. Okay, this is my Windows version that it shows me. Okay. Yes, this is my Windows version. I just click on VER and CMD, so it shows my Windows version. So there are also many other, can say, comments that you can use them to uh, understand more about the CMD. Let me type another command. I'll type here DIR. So what does it mean DIR? Director. Okay. So direct to where? Let me just DIR is just showing all folders that are in your hard disk or on your computer. Okay. Let me. So these are all things that there are in my computer. As you know, I am now in this section. Okay. Let me just clarify it for you. Okay. I am in drive C users fashion mine. Okay, this is my name. This is the user. So this is partition C. I can go to another. I can say folder. For example, I have this much folder. Okay, in this I have this much folder. Suppose that I am going to go to a music. Okay, so let me just type here how to go to another folder. I have to, for example, write change directory, or CD is for changing directory. For example, to where I have to change directory to an folder. Okay, I have to write the name of the folder. For example, let me write music and then enter. So now I am in the partition C, users, folder, fashion and music. Okay, so let me show you also in graphical. You can see interface. I am in drive C, users, fashion and music. Okay, let me find the music for it. Yes, this is the music. Okay, this is the music, so I can see it also in here. If I want to go back one step back, so I have to just change directory plus dot dot. Okay, this will uh, allow you to go back one step. Okay, so I go back to where to my Fashat Mind just, and I'm just in Fashat Mind folder now. If I want to again enter to my music, so I have to just write change directory to write the name of the folder that you wanna enter it. Okay, yes. Now I am in music again, so I can change to any of these apps that I want. Okay, but now I am in here. Okay, let me change. Let but if I wanna clean all these commands, okay, that I have used, they are where you can see somehow basic. Okay, I can't clean them by just writing CLS. It means clean. Okay, so if I enter, it will clean. It will start like a new command prompt. Okay, it's very new. However, you can also open new, can say new tab in here. Okay, so now I have two tabs, one here, one here. So it's the PowerShell. This is my command prompt. Okay, you can open here, no problem, as much as you wish. Okay, let me close them. So let me find for you, for example, some. If I wanna, so if I wanna completely exit this interface, how should I do? I have to type here exit. Okay, if you type exit, so enter, it will automatically log out from the interface or log out from the CMD interface. Okay, these were all about the basic comments that you have to know about the CMD. The first one was about to, these were all uh, these were all basic comments that you have to know them, you have to learn about them. Okay, but in the next video we will give you more comments and more information about CMD. So just don't forget to watch this video and try this, how to, for example, open the CMD. This is very for basic person. Okay, how to open the CMD. Yes, you have to know how to open your common prompts for CMD interface, and you have to, for example, know how what VIR, what does it mean? It will show your Windows version as I type here, and also you have learned that if you type dir comment, okay, it will can say it will show all folders that you are in. Okay, now I am in drive C, in partition C, the users are a folder and fashion man. So it will show all the folder that are on this. But let me change my directory to another folder. Okay, for example, change to, let me go back. Okay, change directory plus 2 dot. Okay, now I am in user. So if I type in user, that dir, so it will show all folders that are in just this. Okay, administrator, fashion public, these three are in my, I can say in the user. Okay, let me show the user. Okay, let me go back. This is the user, so I have three folder in here. So you can see also three folder, and you can see the three folder in here. Okay, this is three folder. Actually, this three folder. Yes, this three folder. Okay, but let me go back one step again. cg dot dot, then enter. So now I'm in drive C. So if I write dir and drive C, so it will show. It will show these you can say these folders that are on my drive C. Okay, so let me go back to my drive C and show you. So this is my drive C, yes, and I have 8 you can see folder in here. So let's go back to my CMD, and there is 8 apps in here. Okay, the 8 folder. But let me go back one step again. Okay, cd dot. So I am now just in drive C. So guys, this was all about that. So you can also clean all the comments that you have used, okay, by just CLS to clean them, okay. So I don't have anything, it will just clean nothing for now. But you have to know this 4 or 5 comments, and if you want to exit this, so you have to type your exit, okay. It will be exited, okay. So this is the all information that you have to know about CMD basic. In the next video, we'll go how to, for example, change, copy, or delete any folder that you want. Okay. So this was our first video. Thank you. If you enjoyed or if you learned anything, just like the video to support me, and see you in the next video.